because see, automatically nylon came in. The nylon, it's not, there's extra protection around it. It's very durable. I like that they give you the little covers and the little clip to unlock it. If you guys can see, there's metal on the side of it where you actually make the entry, the connection to the network or to your router. um, Clips on if you want to save them for traveling purposes. You don't want any dust particles or in there. This is very durable. I like it that they give you a long extension cord, and it's definitely extremely fast and very simple to use. So we're gonna put this to use right now, and we're gonna test out the speeds. Make sure that we're getting the proper speeds because PoE faster, PoE plus, and so forth. So that's the only reason we got this, because we got a lot of units that require PoE plus, meaning that we could transfer higher voltage through the actual cable instead of the regular 12 volts or 5 volts. So we're going to go ahead and test it out and see how it works. All right, on the docking station where we have already playing the actual game, if you guys can see it. So we're going to go ahead and connect cable here. So let's go ahead and do that. So if you see, we're going to connect here so we can get the fastest connection, all right? And then we're going to go and set up the system to see how fast we could download the actual gains with it once we set up the connection. So let's go ahead and remove this. We're going to see how fast we're going to download. So we're going to do an update on this one. And let's go ahead and do an update. And let's see how fast the connection goes. Now with that, we have the docking station. The Steam, look at 7490. We're going hitting good marks. Peak 475.9, which is our fastest connection we have here. So that was pretty quick. Total of 15 gigs. We were able to get 475 maximum. So we were able to download really quick in a matter of seconds. So very good connecting to the docking station and the cable. 800 megs, 93.22 megabytes per second. So this downloading, and let's see how fast it goes. Let's go to our downloads. And we're gonna see the speeds. Look at the speeds on the top, all right? How much? And right now we're gonna download 800 from the actual with the cable, and that's it. Really quick. So cable extremely fast. I like the setup. I like the download speeds on the cable. Hope you guys enjoy the video.